So yeah, I've successfully implemented Matter code into my ESP32C6. Um, I followed Espressifs official documentation here to build and flash the light example code. Had to readjust it slightly, so I was developing a new terminal. So they have a main app.cpp. I just defined the LED that I want to actually turn on, because the default is the built-in LED, which is also RGB, and I don't have that. So I just added the driver library, driver gpao.h, and I just set the GPIO pin for the LED and set as output and default to off. But all the logic happens in appdriver.cpp, where I had to adjust this if condition that handles the on and off logic signal. So yeah, if the LED changes from on or off, if that attribute changes, basically toggle the LED. It's either 1 or 0. Basically toggles it, and then yeah, there's also an error object. But yeah, it seems to work. Successfully built it and compiled it. Well, built it and flashed it. It took some time, but yeah. This here is the thread border router. So again, I followed Espressifs documentation how to build one, and they have sample code. So I used their example to flash this ESP32C6 with the antenna to act as a thread border router. Then I configured its data set the Wi-Fi name and password, and now I'm able to connect all of this to my Amazon Home app. So the way this works is this only speaks thread, the 802.15.4 protocol. So it uses those frequency waves for communication, sending in and out data. This is the middleman that allows the Alexa on Amazon Smart Home to communicate with this device. So say you send a command to turn off the LED. That can be initiated through the app or through voice with the Alexa, which both speak Wi-Fi. So they'd receive that command and they'd send it to this guy, the thread border router, who accepts it through Wi-Fi, translates it into thread, and then passes the signal to my ESP32C6 here. So thread is used for microcontrollers since it's more efficient, uses less power. It's just better for low power microcontrollers, and it uses less data, so that's another thing. But yeah, if I say something like, Alexa, turn light 1 off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn light 1 on.
Okay.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think you can control the brightness. I don't think the pin is PWM. But yeah, the app works. So it's just proof. But yeah, I'm now gonna try to integrate this C6 with Matter code. So I'm gonna have to import the custom component for the library of this sensor. It's the ORD03D 24 megahertz MM-wave sensor. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that, but probably gonna follow similar logic. And then obviously I needed to basically act as a sensor, send data to the smart home app. But yeah, that's the progress so far.